Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So unlock your phone, go over to the settings, and now go over to the display settings. Go here and now make sure to adjust the brightness manually so you guys can notice the difference. After that, make sure to disable the adaptive brightness, and what you guys can also do is change the motion smoothness to standard, but you will have 60 Hz instead of 120. So it's not exactly good, but it can help with the screen flickering. After that, what you guys can do is download the Screen Dimmer app from the Play Store. So follow my steps, go to the Play Store, let me quickly sign in, and I'll show you guys where to find it. So first, go over to the search bar. Now search for the Screen Dimmer OLED Saver, and it's the first app that pops up right here. Now click on install. It should install in less than 5 seconds. As you guys can see, it's automatically installing on my device. And now after the installing, we just have to open it. So now we need to wait a bit. The download part is already done, but now we wait for the install. As you guys can see, now the app is opening. And here we can grant the permissions. So first we need to grant the permissions to change the system settings, to modify the brightness. And here in the accessibility, we need to give it permissions to change the brightness whenever we turn on any overlays like our keyboard. So make sure to enable it, click on allow, and now we can leave those settings. Go back to the app right here. And now grant permission for notifications. Now we can enable the service, and as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. Now if you want to get rid of it, we just disable it, and now it looks like that, but we need to change our brightness afterwards. So now if that doesn't help, then what you guys can do is go over to the settings and update your software. So basically go over to the software update right at the bottom of the settings, and here click on download and install. As you guys can see, I have the update ready to install, and update will be installed automatically at 3 AM on September 8th, 2025. So now we can just schedule an install, for example 1 AM when we are asleep, and now it's changed. So now our update is going to be installed. Then we can of course install it now, but it will take from 15 minutes up to 1 hour, so I don't want to waste your guys' time. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.